for a long time, I didn't want a title. I didn't want nobody to call me the boss or nothing. I just want to be William. I just want to be, call me my name because we on the same level. But over time, I realized we're not on the same level.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I'd never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
I believe you asked him, how did you get into hiring, like the mindset and all of that, like how you be the boss. So like how did you get to the point where you started hiring and you was comfortable hiring these people, interviewing these people, stuff that we ain't never done before, ain't nobody around us, not me showing us, you know what I mean? So how did you get comfortable with even becoming a boss like and doing something like that?
It's a thing. You got a partner. You want a partner. You don't have to have a boss. You don't have to be, because sometimes you don't want to feel like you handing something out of down. And I don't want to feel that either, because for a long time I didn't want a title. I didn't want nobody to call me the boss or nothing. I just want to be William. I just want to be, call me my name because we on the same level. But over time I realized we're not on the same level. I had to have a hierarchy in my company or they won't respect me. But we talking about starting at the beginning. I wanted a partner. I wanted somebody to go in the building with me and work with me. So hey, I can come in, I can bring you in with me. I got my brothers, I got my cousin, I got my whoever. I wanted to be able to, because a lot of times we as entrepreneurs, we want to bring somebody along for the dream. So if you want to bring somebody along for the dream, even if you don't have the money to pay them, sell them the dream, tell them the vision. Tell them the vision, say, hey man, look, I can't do this with you. Man, think about me and you going to build this $1 million. I know a lot of people are not gonna come with you, but you still sell them the dream. You keep selling the people the dream. When you sell them, I like to say vision. I don't like to say dream, because I say dream, you can sleep and dream. I like to say vision, because I be awake chasing mine. So you can sell them the vision. Sell them the vision that you want, and then they come along for the inspiration. They come along to see you succeed. Those are the people you really want in the beginning. Those are the people that's gonna take you the furthest. Those are the people that's gonna be in the building with you late night, and when you got to be in those buildings because you just not starting. Those are the people that's going to understand you got to sleep in the car because you just locked the keys into the building, and you want to make sure you get in there early before the crew get it, because you locked the keys in the building on time. Because I did that. Yeah. I went and locked the keys in the building, and I'm like, man, I locked the keys in the building. I'm like, man, I'm going to sleep in this car because I want to make sure the workers don't get the keys when they get in here, because I don't want I just not got this account.
Right.
You know what I mean? How I'm going to mess up this like this? I done did 10 of them. Right. Now I done left the keys in this one I just got. Right. Let me just sleep right here, man. I mean, that's just real. You got to make it happen, man. You just got to make it happen.
My name is LaDrake Nunn. Name of my company is Nunn Disinfecting and Janitorial Service. And I'll tell you a crazy story real fast. I got a business because of AJ, honestly. His 10-step rule, from the LLC, the EIN, everything that I did my whole business on was because of watching him on YouTube. And shout out to CBN, man, for what they're doing and helping upcoming entrepreneurs.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you wanna start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it, let's go.